Hi, this is Neelima. Today we are going through sequence of video tutorials to learn DAX. What is DAX? Data Analysis Expressions is a formula language used in tools like Microsoft Power BI, SQL Server Analysis Services, also known as SSAS, Excel Power Pivot. This is the programming language behind these tools. The main focus of this course is DAX using through Power BI. So we use DAX on top of tabular data model. The data model behind Power BI is called tabular data model. We can use Power BI without using DAX language, but you will not be able to use full features of Power BI. You will end up using basic features of Power BI. In order to use advanced analytical capabilities, you must learn DAX formula language. DAX is born in Excel ecosystem in Power Pivot. DAX is designed to work with data in tabular models, enabling advanced data analysis by creating following formulas like measures, calculated columns, calculated tables. These are the three major types of formulas we create using DAX language. We will discuss these in detail in upcoming videos. DAX is purely functional language. So we need to understand one function at a time while working with DAX. It will have a function name and we pass some parameters to each function to operate. We can also embed one function inside another function which will work together to create the formula for the functionality we are trying to achieve.
Let's look at one example. In this example, we are calculating the sales for West region. We are using two functions for this calculation. One is SumX function and the other is filter function, which is embedded inside the SumX function. Please don't focus on syntax yet. We will discuss these formulas in detail in next videos. The filter function is filtering the sales data from sales table where region equals to West. The filter function is using two parameters. One is sales table and the other parameter is a where condition, which is filtering West region sales records. The SumX function is using two parameters. The first parameter accepts table as input, which is filtered table for West region returned from filter function. The second parameter is an expression, which will multiply the unit price into quantity for all the filtered records of West region. The SumX function return the total sales for West region. This is how West region total sales amount is calculated. As you can see, when we focus on one function at a time, it is easy to understand DAX. Let's look at different categories of functions in DAX. We have following set of categories: aggregation functions, logical functions, time intelligence functions, text functions, filter context functions, iterator functions, information functions. There are more than 250 functions in DAX. We will go through all of those functions in detail in upcoming videos. See you in the next video.